me, it's not supposed to be about results, but purely based on preparation.
Okay.
Send your person ball World Cup, send your person attack, send your person defender. Where do you want to receive the ball? In which zones? Player Ben your person more the ability to get to the top in terms of results from beating me. And that is very, very important. And then again, and who's here now? Julian Nagelsmann, who is the coach of the German national team. Nagelsmann said, and the match of Ghana will be different. Because some players you have to manage them. It's most of them no crown. And you have to start with a regular starting 11, which is very, very important in that regard. Yeah. I want to fat little bit me be tactical board now. Gab. Ghana problem. Black Stars problem. And ye Otuado.
Which you saying?
And ye Otuado nkwa ebi achino sane kana.
Okay.
But in English, the problem isn't Otuado. As in ye ono nkwa.
Okay.
There are other problems. Otuado is one of your problems. We have a lot of problems.
Okay.
And a lot of problems in a sense, say, even as Ghana fans, you was knocking off your new player Biana. We are forcing the player to come, even without allowing the technical people to do their job. And later on, you try one and say, player on Konyade, Salis Abdul Samedi, number one. When Salis came, yes, you know, the right player. We said a lot of things about Salis Abdul Samad. But for me, your midfield, it's about finding complementing pairs. Se partner ye boa. When you the neck no one.
Obetimi aboni ye.
Partition tono. Ono ono ne strength obetimi aboni push it in a corner. Se sa to be for the snake bar. When a Jiro machi obetimi aye adwuma for us. And it's very important. Yeah. Ebia Otuado ni PR any good, and sometimes he is not the best speaker. But Enra, ni analogy of mine about say Odifufu or Obedinisa Nebidi.
Yeah.
Or no one call their trainer besa.
Yeah.
Odi more on the fork no. It is not wrong in football. Depending on opponent, I go share.
Yeah.
Any new coach in a style, I go share. And in football, there are proactive coaches and there are reactive coaches. Coaches be on a style of play, no number one. We are the day one of the ball. Coaches be also they react to the opponent that they are going to play against. So, Otuado yenyu maybe ama yenyu the initiation. But yesterday wasn't as a for if you follow the conversation, it's as if Otuado can't 7-7 kwasiasem. But it is normal in football. You face your opponent based on how they play, and the analogy is a culinary one. Medium fufu obviously because it is the right tool to eat fufu. Medium more, maybe because a movie you are wanting that maybe not be the right tool. Maybe maybe a tray and a fork based on where he grew up from in Germany. A fork.
Yeah.
A young choir, me as regular Ghanaian boy, I will medium debate here. But for him, he use a spoon. So it's about the right tool for the right job. But the most important thing is for Otuado. How does he develop and grow the team? Because in Sawa Kokobo, a friendly game against Austria, the 2 days of Mabon, they have to correct our mistakes.
Yeah.
Technical team mistakes, players need mistakes. I think this is a game that Akwakoye Adia Ghana national team is a tie, especially when they almost 2 top goalkeepers. So I think that Obama Benjamin Sariada.
Okay.
Just to also give Benjamin the chance to keep in a big game like this. I don't know for Anan. I think because I had third choice. No? These are not the games we're trying to cry because there is no tendency say Obebo even in the big games.
Okay.
I think it's just 2 top choice goalkeepers now. Washe Atizigi, he will watch again Abranti Fredo, Benjamin Asari to see what he gets from them. Yeah, Mr. Germany for game on boy against Switzerland. No? I'm conceded 3 goals. 3 goals. According to Build, there's a starting lineup. We'll get into it. I'm conceded 3. But me show your team in the born against Austria. We will not be able to score Germany even 2. Because in your last 4 games, you have watched 6 shots on target. You accumulated an XG of 2.8.
You have no goals.
Even here, chance you're creating no form.
But you're no pa.
We don't create quality chances.
Yeah.
So for me, And one end is so to free. And we spoke about those problems. One, ball progression.
Yeah.
Germany, a team, they play with a lot of center occupation. Michelle, so it's be tactical board now. I'm Pauline Fatilo. Usually, in the middle of the park, on ball it's inside 10s. It's in the fullbacks in the keeping weight. There are a lot of players centrally. See, you consider 4 or 5 against Austria. You bet me say 8 against Germany. Because Germany players in the Brio house space in him. A lot of technically gifted players in those areas. If you are building up the game in certain areas, we need to be able to defend well without the ball. These are the things that need to me TV and make sure with Otuado. How do you defend well without the ball? Germany for number 4-3-3, but it will end up looking like a 4-2-2-2, like the way the Austrians play. Now, how do we defend well without the ball? You can't just go and sit in a back 5. I did Otuado tie, which is wrong. Yeah, post-mortem of the Austrian game. Yes, it's a ball long with Edouard. We should get players around him. That should be the point of the end. Devoid of personnel. Say Atizigi or Benjamin Sarr a ball longer. Nobody make Edu Saha. I am waiting for who plays as a second striker number 10 to be close and pick up those balls.
Okay.
Say yes, and then you have a little issue in terms of ball progression because Kwesi Simon and the deepest of the 2 midfielders, and he's not good at that. I'm expecting that whether or not you play Kwesi or somebody in the forward of Kwesi, you be a more ball dominant player progressive on a mame.
Okay.
There should be improvements. What more Austria? You may be about one name. It's not even that year. I'm expecting okay. You board up and you bad sir. I'm expecting it's okay. So they all say you you get any of your centre backs who is comfortable on the ball to build up and progress the ball from there. Naturally, today I will expect Seneye any con to be in there. I think so. Best starting Gideon Mensah.
Okay.
But at right back, I'm expecting Seneye to be there. Even Lukasin can play at right back.
But on that, no, so unim.
No, he should know. I mean, no kind of
unim.
No, he should know. Sometimes our dismissive attitude. Me have sat in press conference with Otto.
I mean, can't you know?
But so like usually coaches was hard, you know.
Okay.
Especially if you're a journalist, no know if you're a journalist, keke. So he knows his job. So I mean, it's okay, but he has to play right. But he knows. One for us, I am better who's wait me about. Then why did you call him? He should be able to play. Then take Caribbean to the middle of the park, no more ball.
Okay.
Because in a shady year, if you don't control the game, well, Germany for Beshe Baby.
And then 10.
Yes.
And
a bit do your susu. We should be able to play with them. Play like how we want to play.
Was so crowd wet him up.
Yes.
When you say when you stableness,
yes.
How they call wake up.
In fact, I still want Partey to start this game.
Okay.
But man will be a defensive job for enough Calburichi Canon. I think that's a stronger midfield. Then so Obo right winger. Me Makani several times say we don't have an overlapping right back Krumah. Edding. So your right wing, your right back should be part of the back three. Now left wing and or right wing and what I say no. On tack in. Or if you want a better for Tash to play the right winger, then let him keep the width. Or which of the other wingers that will come on? Maybe an idea. I'm not expecting too much from the Black Stars, honestly.
Okay.
Me, we are Ghana, don't expect too much. Lower expectation. Let's look at the progress. And if a team beats me, I'll call from now. Then let's see how.
4 and 5, no one touch, 4 and 5, no.
Oh, 4 and 5, and I think that he will maintain it. It looks as if say Salisu Enya mine there. Obe try Jiku and it will be. So the last time I tried Jiku and Ajiti, I think he will start Jiku and then Jerome Opoku.
Okay.
Just to see how Jiku and Jerome Opoku also play because Jiku is more right side and Jerome Opoku is left-footed centre back. So he will look at the two again, and after that, I said, "We are
okay.
Mate. Now we can in boys let discuss how.
And Mamma come and yam fair no for me. And
oh, there's so picky course. And your mom code in the streets. Now for picky course.
Fast for mammy.
We can in boys now first case from Saturday, Sunday, and on discuss and yes, code there. You dear Kwaku say the month of April end. Inti Michelle. Weekend is all messy and idea. Don't miss out on it. Memo coach nene. wako fikesi no akutwa bi na
okay
what discarry show gap me ma quote kakra bi first one no BW 49 BD 0629. That is the first one. Second one no BW 49 BCCCBB. The third one no BW 49 BB 8232. Fourth one BW 49 BB 7AAC. And the last one BW 49 BAC23B.
Okay. Me da say my main fa me course no ensu mesro oba why ntietie